we go again. The Great British Bake Off's back! Yay! I am so excited. What it does mean though is that my recreation series is restarting with today's video. So 2 years ago, I recreated a challenge from every episode of the Great British Bake Off. It was a real laugh because some things I'm better at in terms of baking and some things I'm not great at. So it was a really fun experience and here we are again. Luckily, the first week is cake week, which is kind of my forte compared to the other 9 weeks. So I'm hoping this is going to be a high and then it's just going to keep going further and further downhill. I just know it will. I'm going to recreate the signature challenge, which was 12 identical mini sponge cakes and you have 2 hours to do it. I've decided to go with a lemon drizzle mini sponge cake. It's going to be a lemon drizzle cake, lemon curd and lemon cream cheese frosting. Fingers crossed that's what it's going to be anyway. So let's set 2 hours and then we need to get started. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't done this in a while and I can just feel the pressure already building. Are we ready? 2 hours starting now. Okay, first things first, put your oven on. I'm gonna put it on 160 fan and then we need to make the cakes. Another thing that is not gonna help my case is that I forgot to take out the butter and sugar, the butter and eggs. So they are cold and not going to whip up very well. I've also run out of spoons, which is super helpful. And I also don't know how many eggs I need. I'm thinking of doing sheet trays and then cutting the cakes out of it. Let me just get my cutters and figure all this out. They're meant to be mini and you get 2 out of that. I'd get 3 out of that. Would I get 4 that way? 2, 3. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Let's go for this size and do 2 tins worth. Now, how many eggs are gonna need to fill that? Let's do I want to do 2 eggs in each one or 3 eggs in each one? Come on, decide, Alisha. You're on a bloody timer. I'm gonna do 3 eggs. Got there in the end. Let's weigh my eggs. If my scales want to work, please and thank you. There's always a runaway egg. Maybe I do 5 because I've only got 5 in this pack. I have got more in the fridge, but then they're going to be very, very cold. 320, let's say. Now 320 grams of butter. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Right, sugar. Too much, too much, too much. I'm gonna mix this for about 5 minutes. Right, I didn't want to talk whilst the mix was on because it's loud, but I have just greased and lined my tins. So now I'm gonna add in the eggs. I'm gonna add in 2 at a time, and then obviously the 1 extra by itself. And whilst that is mixing, I'm just, oh my God, what's the word? Like grating the lemon zest off. Trying to get the lemon zest off, grating. This is a grater. I'm grating the lemon zest off. Oh my days, we're already like 15 minutes in. Now I'm gonna grate down the sides. My mixture is split, shock, because the temperatures were all over the place. Now I'm gonna add in this lemon zest and some lemon juice. So I'm gonna mix that really slowly. Then we need to add in our flour. Pop this back on and then mix it really slowly until it's just folded in. I'm running out of room already. Maybe 5 eggs was enough. Oh, it smells delicious. Then we're gonna pop them in the oven. I've only put 1 oven on. That means they're gonna bake at different temperatures, which is brilliant. How long do we have left? An hour 37. What do I need to do next? Lemon curd, probably. Wait. I'm gonna tidy up first and then we'll do the lemon curd, I think. When I say tidy up, I haven't got time to tidy up properly. It's basically clear my table and shove everything else around my kitchen. Okay, next thing is lemon curd. I have never made it before, so I'm following a BBC Good Food recipe. This says it makes 200 grams. I don't think I'll need 200 grams, so I'm gonna half it and hope for the best. I need 1 lemon, zest and juice. Where does the lemon need to go? Put the lemon zest, juice, sugar and butter in a heat-proof bowl. Okay, you all going in there then. No, I've just spilled loads of my lemon zest and juice everywhere. What do I do with it? I don't think there's anything I can do. 50 grams. Lemon zest, juice, sugar and butter. We need 25 grams of butter. I don't know if it's real butter or like baking butter, so I'm just going with real butter. In a heat-proof bowl over a pan of simmering water, stir occasionally until the butter is melted. Then, using a small whisk or fork, stir in the beaten egg. Keep gently whisking the mixture over the heat for around 10 minutes until thickened like custard. Okay, I need to get a wriggle on. I would bring the camera over, but I don't have time. So I'll see you when I'm done. Everything's happening at once. I think my lemon curd is done. It's got bits in it and I can't tell if that is the zest or if I've scrambled them. To grab the curd and pour it in, easier said than done, isn't it? And I've got no spoons and this is burning my hands, even through the oven glove. Ouch. Spatula. Take two. I mean, it still smells lemony, not eggy, so I'm hoping it's just the zest. Oh no, is that scrambled egg? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, don't tell me I've scrambled it. Have I scrambled it? I can't tell. I'm just gonna, is it gonna be too hot for me to try? Oh no, it tastes like lemon curd. Is it the best lemon curd anyone's ever made? Absolutely not. Could it be just lemon scrambled eggs? Yes. Are we gonna go with it? Yes. How long have I got left? 1 hour. 11. God, I'm knackered already. I feel like I need a cup of tea, but I bet you don't get one of them when you're doing a challenge on Bake Off. The only other component is cream cheese frosting. I think I'm going to wait for the cakes to finish cooking though first, so I'm not distracted. And then I'll take them out, whilst they're cooling, I'll make the cream cheese frosting, and then I think I'll have time for a cup of tea. That's so British of me, isn't it? My cake's out of the oven. I've just turned one out and it is so spongy, which is great in terms of texture, but it's kind of crumbled a little bit. And I'm not sure how stable they're going to be. So I'm going to take the other one out in a second, and then at least they're cooling. How long have we got left? We've got 1 hour 4 minutes left, and I don't know if that's enough time for them to cool fully. Well, there's all I can do about it. I try not to swear on this channel, but I swear quite a lot in real life, so sometimes they just blend together, especially in Great British Bake Off challenges. Well, that one was more crumbly than the last, and I basically took like divots out of it. Oh dear, this is not going to end well, is it? I am going to have a break because 1, it is very hot in here, and I thought, oh, I'll wear a jumper because it's cold today. The temperature's really dropped, and now I'm sweating. 2, I'm going to get a drink because I'm thirsty and exhausted. And 3, I need to like reset my mind before we tackle cream cheese frosting. Okay, we have 41 minutes left and we have 2 new issues. The first one is, to make the cream cheese frosting I need real butter, and this is all the real butter I've got left. So now I wish that I'd used the stalk in the lemon curd so I had real butter left. So what I'm now going to have to do is half real butter, half stalk, and then the rest of the ingredients for cream cheese frosting. And cream cheese frosting is notoriously tricky to get right because if you overmix it, it can go really sloppy, and I suspect if I had stalk in it, it's going to go really sloppy too. My second issue is my electric whisk has broke, so I can mix it in this, but that means washing the bowl, and I don't know if I can be asked to do that. The other way is to do it by hand, which seems more promising at the moment, but I am definitely going to be moaning about it 2 minutes in when my arm aches. But I think that's what I'm going to go for, and I know I'm going to regret it, I know. Let's add what we've got left in here. Then we need another 50 grams. Whoa. Then I'm going to mix these together first. Just got a chunk of butter stuck in my whisk. If you got in there, you can get out again. Thank you. Oh, that'll do. I can't be bothered. I'm just going to get my cream cheese and then mix this in. Surprise, surprise, it's sloppy. What am I going to do with runny cream cheese frosting? How to save runny cream cheese frosting. Cornstarch. Try cornstarch. Sure, why not? Don't know how much to add, so just adding loads of it. I'm going to add some more icing sugar too. Let's give this a whirl. It's still very runny. Oh no. I got the light version, not the full fat version. Idiot. I don't know how to save this. How do I save cream cheese frosting? How do I save cream cheese frosting? How do I save Cream cheese frosting. I don't know. I'm just going to add a shitload of icing sugar and then put it in the fridge and hope for the best. It's going to be sweet. It's going to taste like corn flour. But at the moment, it's just a gloopy mess, so it's got to be better than that, surely. Anywho, this one is cold, so I'm going to get it off and start cutting it. She says, come on, please. Thank you. Do I want a frilly edge or a straight edge? Let's go straight, keep it simple. I mean, they're quite thick. I feel like I might not have needed the second layer. I could have just cut this in half. Let's try some of the cake scraps. Nice. Oh no, stack down, stack down. Let's check on the cream cheese frosting. Well, that's definitely not pipeable, is it? I was going to say usually I have some idea how to fix it, but sometimes things just go wrong and you have to restart. The problem is, I don't have full fat cheese, I don't have any butter left, don't know how restarting is going to end up with a better result. And I've only got 21 minutes left, so I sort of feel like I just need to do something and I don't know what. I'm going to eat cake, that's what I'm going to do. Make me feel better, please. Right, I've only got 18 minutes left, so I've got no choice but to just go with it and accept the criticism. So that's what I'm going to do. I feel like a failure, I feel like a fraud. Cake is my forte. Oh, shut up, Alisha. Embarrass myself on week 1. Oh, this is going to be a mess. This is going to be a mess. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh no. Oh, it's just dripping everywhere. Oh no, the cake's gonna slide off. The cake is gonna slide off. The cake's sliding. It's sliding. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Bye-bye, cake. Bye-bye. Oh, at this point, if I cried tears in the cakes, it might actually make it better. I've dropped my bloody spoon in here now. Oh, and that's so sweet. This is a total mess, but I've got to plate something up. So it's just happening, okay guys? It's just happening. Doesn't stand me in good stead, does it, for the rest of the weeks? And this is meant to be my good area. I don't know, what do I do? It's not even worth decorating. It's not even worth decorating. What am I going to decorate them with? They're all going to look shit anyway. Oh, let's just put a blob on. I'm going to end this video here because it's not going to get any better. I hope you enjoyed having a laugh at least. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!